This video will show you how to use the real-time stamina tracking feature. She joins a marathon that is being held in her city. She estimates to finish this half marathon on a 6-minute pacing. Before the race, she adds the real-time stamina tracking feature on her watch in order to provide insight to her stamina status more accurately. After running the 10th kilometer, she takes a peek at her watch and sees that she has 60% of stamina left. Watch estimates that, in this speed she is going, her stamina could sustain her for 18 kilometers more. She is capable to run consecutively for 2 more hours. She thinks that she can push harder, and breaks her personal best. She increases her threshold pacing to 5 minutes. As she accelerates her speed, she doesn't realize her stamina rate is drastically dropping. Usually, she never visits water stations in a half marathon. On the 15th kilometer mark, she feels relatively fatigued and dehydrated. She couldn't bear it anymore and visits water station. She looks at her watch, and finds out she only has 10% of stamina left. It could only last her 3 more miles. She thinks to herself,
"If I keep running like this, I cannot reach the destination on a 5-minute pacing speed."
Hence, she stands at the water station and takes a break, allowing her body to recover. She decides to finish the race on a 5.5 kilometers pacing speed. She continues to run, adjusting her speed to 5.5 kilometers. 1 kilometer before arrival of destination, she finds out she has 10% of stamina left, which allows her to run for 2 more kilometers. She decides to give it a shot, and increases her speed to 4-minute pacing speed. On arrival of finish line, she exhausts all her stamina. Thankfully to the real-time stamina tracking feature, she doesn't break down in the middle of race, subsequently breaking her personal record. Now let's get started on your stamina function feature and run a race. That's it. Thanks for watching.